Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the colors to your picture on the Lightroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the library button down below, that's the first option, and then click on all photos and tap on the picture you would like to edit. After that, at the bottom, slide to the right side till you find the color icon, tap on it. Here you have three categories at the top, such as black and white, grading and mix. Here you can select the color from the color grading section. Here you have a bunch of options. As you can see, you can adjust the temperature on this slide, as well as the tint, the vibrance and saturation. If you would like to, you can also custom the white balance. Here you have a bunch of options such as S-shot, auto, daylight, cloudy shade, tungsten, fluorescent and flash, and you can also customize it by tapping on the custom button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.